You want to know the ascending order of WBC, the reverse will be written BEMLN. That is about various types of WBC. Next, blood platelets. Before to discuss blood platelets, let us revise important points of WBCs. I ask you very simple questions. What are the two types of phagocytic WBC? Phagocytic cells are neutrophils and monocytes. Most active phagocytes are monocytes. Monocytes are otherwise called internal scavengers. They are largest out of all WBC. Antigen and antibody complexes are removed by eosinophils. In infections time, when infections enter the body, then number of the eosinophils automatically increase. Such a condition is called eosinophilia. Arrange the WBC in descending order based on their number. Now shortcut can be remembered, that is NLMEB, never let monkeys eat bananas. The ratio between RBC and WBC is about, first I asked you RBC, later WBC. Say the ratio is about 700:1. Means for every 700 RBC, there is only one WBC. Means WBC are very less in number than RBC. Why white blood corpuscles are colorless? They are not white in color. They are colorless really due to the absence of hemoglobin. Next, blood platelets. These are also called thrombocytes. Thrombocytes. These blood platelets are also formed from red bone marrow. They are formed from red bone marrow. These are not cells, but they are cell fragments. Means they are bits of some other cells. These are fragments of special cells present in red bone marrow called megakaryocytes. Megakaryocytes. Where are they present in red bone marrow? This is one megakaryocyte. This is amoeboid in shape. This megakaryocyte breaks down to form irregular enucleated fragments. These fragments are platelets. Platelets. So what are platelets? These are not true cells, but cell bits or cell fragments of megakaryocytes of red bone marrow. Very important. Number of platelets about 1,50,000 to 3,50,000 per cubic millimeter of blood. Let us recall number of RBCs and WBC also. Number of RBC on average 5 millions containing hemoglobin in them. Next, number of WBC about 6,000 to 8,000. Next, number of platelets about 1,50,000 to 3,50,000 per cubic millimeter of blood. Lifespan of blood platelets is about 7 days, 1 week, whereas span of RBC 120 days, span of WBC this span varies from cell to cell. Some WBC live for about 2-3 days, some WBC live about months, some WBC, especially lymphocytes, live about even years. So out of all WBC, the longest lifespan is seen in some WBC. What are they? Lymphocytes. Span of platelets just 7 days. Our range is there 7 to 10 days. Now what the platelets do? Platelets are ruptured, means the platelets break down. When they break down, when the blood vessel is ruptured, when the blood vessel is cut, then platelets rupture and release some factors, substances which are useful in blood clotting. Means platelets play an important role in blood clotting, also called blood coagulation. Blood coagulation. So what are the blood cells or fragments of cells play a role in blood clotting? They are platelets, also called thrombocytes. Thrombocytes rupture when the blood vessel is injured and release a substance, thromboplastin. What is the substance from platelets called thromboplastin? That thromboplastin plays a significant role in the process of blood clotting. Means platelets are very essential cell fragments for the purpose of blood clotting. Whenever number of platelets increase, that condition is called thrombophilia. If number decrease, thrombocytopenia. Rise in count, thrombophilia. Fall in count refers to thrombocytopenia. That is about various types of blood cells. So with this what we have completed. In the former class we have completed red blood cells. Now in this class white blood cells and blood platelets. Here I draw the images given in NCERT textbook. These images are: 1. This is RBC, circular, but in side view biconcave. These are RBCs. Next, platelets. These are enucleated, without nucleus, cell fragments. These are platelets. Next, WBC, diagrammatic form. What is this cell? Try to remember. This is characterized by bilobed nucleus, eosinophil. Next, irregular nucleus, basophil. Multilobate nucleus, neutrophil. Next, these are granulocytes and lymphocytes, characterized by spherical nucleus, lymphocyte, and somewhat amoeboid having kidney-shaped nucleus is monocyte. Of those all, what are largest WBC? Monocytes are largest WBC. Smallest WBC are neutrophils. Phagocytic WBC are neutrophils and monocytes. These are phagocytic cells. Most active phagocytic cells in blood are monocytes. Drumstick is found in neutrophils of female mammals, not in male mammals. That is about various types of blood cells. After all cells, which cells are not really cells but they are cell fragments? Platelets. These are fragments of which cells of bone marrow? Megakaryocytes of red bone marrow. RBCs contain hemoglobin in their cytoplasm. In a healthy individual, the quantity of hemoglobin is 12 to 16 grams per 100 ml of blood. How much? 12 to 16 grams. To confuse you, they give you 12 to 16 milligrams, not milligrams, grams in 100 ml of blood. These are the points where I stressed you have to calculate. So with this we have completed various types of WBC. This is all with the blood information. And in the coming episode we will start other type of vascular tissue. In addition to blood, there is second type of fluid, that is lymph. It can be started in the coming class. Okay, hope you understood today's lesson regarding WBC and platelets. If you have any doubts, ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you so much.